Shall we throw it away?
Did you hurt him?
That hurts!
Where's Denny? Sharon.
What have you done to him? Mom! What have you done to him?
Sharon!
I know he's done something. I know he's hurt my baby.
Dennis! Dennis! Bobby? What happened with you and Dennis?
He says things he shouldn't say.
What did he say? Not now, Kathy! Jane, Sharon's calling the police. No. Ian?
Yeah, we found Dennis. He looks like he had a bit of a tear-up. Is Bobby at home?
Yeah, hang on, listen, Ian. Bobby reckons Dennis said something he shouldn't. He's really upset.
Dennis, did you say something to Bobby? Hey, look at me. Was it about Lucy?
No?
Ian? Did you say something nasty to him?
Everyone acts like he's perfect. I know he ain't.
What did you say to him?
Get off
Just
me, you
answer.
drown!
What did you say to him?
Leave it on!